Hello, my lovely financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And today we are doing our December summary. In the month of December, we had an amazing month. We saved a total of $2,168 in the month of December. We did this by saving $100 in Budget Buddies, $814 in Build-A-Bank, $62 in our Friday challenge, $179 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, $105 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, $40 in our mini challenge, $92 in our monthly savings challenge, $80 in Taco Tuesday, and rounding off the year with Tip Yourself Thursday at $123. Then we have our Winter Wednesday for $430 and Life of a Duck Named What for $143. I can say that this month shocked and surprised me. That was, if I'm not mistaken, our largest month yet. And for that to be a month where most people usually overspend, yet we saved more, I'm proud of us. We can give ourselves a pat on the back for that. In closing out our year, we took everything out of our surplus reserve except for $100, and we sent $442.28 into our high yield savings account. That means we're putting our money to work and it will be making money for us passively. That is the best thing that you want for your money, either a high yield savings or an investment account, so that those funds, while they're waiting, can earn money for you. Then, for an extra debt payment, we put $232 in our Bank of America account. With these funds, we made an extra payment to our Walmart account for $41.84. Paying that card off, we only use that to handle some subscriptions. And then we made an extra payment to our Sapphire card for $190.16, which rounds us off to that $232. I'm going to say this was amazing, spectacular, and more than I could have ever asked or thought. I am so proud of us and excited to see what we did for our annual summary. I don't know if you guys are ready, but I definitely am. So, on our next page, we've got our 2025 annual savings summary. We're going to start out with our savings challenges. For Budget Buddies, in total, throughout the entire year, we saved a whopping $1,453 in Budget Buddies. Build a Bank, $1,321. Those are some pretty steep figures, and I'm proud of it. In Friday, $841. Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend, we saved $1,621. In our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we saved $1,826. In our mini savings challenges, $1,023. In our medical challenge, we saved $2,000. That was all of our deductibles, and we're still holding strong. In our monthly challenge for the entire year, we saved $1,205. In Taco Tuesday, $806. Tip Yourself Thursday was an amazing $2,133. In our winter series, Locked In, we saved $430. And Life of a Duck Named What, $1,095 for a grand total saved of $15,754. Now, taking a look, let's see what goals we met. In our goals, vehicle maintenance, we met our $1,200 goal. In emergency fund, we added another $1,000 for the year 2025. Our medical deductible, we saved that $900. In dental deductible, we saved $600. Our vision deductible, $500. Our vehicle insurance deductible, we saved $500. And vehicle registration, $350 for a total of 7 goals met. For debt payoffs, I can say that I am very proud of these because we were able to knock some major debts off. For our Bank of America credit card, we paid it off at $573.90. TJ Maxx, $237.10. These were Christmas purchases for last year. This year, we didn't put anything on a credit card. I can say I'm proud. NCB management, we paid $13,083.99. And our Walmart card, we paid off $621.52. We paid off a loan, our Moby loan, of $3,327.75. TCC, we paid off $2,496.07. Our Quicksilver credit card, we paid off $6,510.45. And our Mariner Finance loan, we paid off $5,526.71. For a grand total of debt paid off, $32,382.49, leaving us 3 remaining consumer accounts. I plan on knocking those off 2026. So in 2026, a new chapter begins. Let's see how we're going to rock it this year with some of our new challenges. Let me introduce our new spread for 2026. In 2026, we will again be doing our Friday challenge, saving the dollar amount for each and every last one of our Fridays. We will also be doing our 52-week reverse challenge, where we will save the number of the week until we get to the last one. And let's see if we can throw in those bonuses so that we can rock it out with an extra $50. Can't wait to see if we're going to be able to do that. Next, we have our Magic Monday, where we're going to save the dollar amount for each Monday of the year. Taco Tuesday, saving the dollar amount for each Tuesday of the year. And I just could not stand to leave it behind. Catter Day for every Saturday of the year. Next, we will be introducing our 1K savings challenge from Budgeting Just Because. We will be rocking it out and saving $1,000 to add to our emergency fund with this challenge. We will also be continuing our winter series Locked In and following that up with more of Income Babe's 90-day Locked In challenges. Can't wait to see what she's got in store for us. They're all amazing. We will also be doing the life of a succulent who inspires others and the life of friends who are Christmas crazy. This year, we are going to be saving quite a bit for Christmas, and anything left over, we're going to throw it towards debt. We will also be completing our 90 days locked in for our Build-A-Bank. This is one that we may see off and on throughout the year. We have our Affirmations Savings Challenge by Simply Budgeted. We will also be saving for books, gardening, and some summer fun. Those are some things that we will be doing with our rollover money as opposed to doing the rollover challenge this year. And last but not least, we will be using our monthly envelopes here to save for birthdays and holidays. This year's holidays are Valentine's, Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. Now, I know some of those are not considered holidays, but they are days with special events for my family. That is our 2026 savings lineup. I cannot wait to see us reach the majority, if not all of our goals, and enjoy the roller coaster ride to the end of this year. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. Thanking you for your continued support, all of your comments and encouragement throughout this last year. And I hope to see you and a couple new friends in 2026. Bye for now.